good ya mundu gwitwo riri Munjumbe Kimunya
Amos Kimunya.
Yes,
Former waziri and former MP.
Yes. There's a time he was waziri wa ilikuwa fedha.
Yeah, he minister of finance.
Yes.
Around 2006 thereabout.
Yes. Na Kimunya ri ugiuka maundu a lot of mounting pressure gukumio and the misappropriation of monies cia bururi na hindi mundu gutu Khadual guzia no wale cia manua eta committee no ya kiria ene ko bugero na ohoro wa wasiri wa fedha.
I think he was the chairman of PAC.
Yes, that one. Yes, the Parliamentary Accounts Committee.
Yes.
Akiuga for Kenya to be a stable economy, Kimunya must go. For this country to move forward, Mr. Speaker, Kimunya must go. For sanity to prevail in this house, Mr. Speaker, Kimunya must go. Kimunya like I'd rather die
than resign.
Well, he resigned and didn't die. Amos yaugire atiri no go you desayuni
digehera
agua no go you dekiviviri mukondo-ini
pressure neneha muno.
Yes,
resign.
Well, resignations in this country are very rare. Ona supposed to need.
No, resignations are not common here.
No. People don't resign here. People wait for you to scream and yell.
And resiri uhoro ru ni oibira waiba waneneha. Watu karuginya thireti hari bururi.
Yes. No ne ori. Eka wataktifuli.
Yes.
Mundu cia behere maitho.
Ehere maitho-ini. Kana kareregitwo to another department with not much visibility.
No how hatari visibility ri. Mundu ri warehwo kuria ri. Alipota ko gutari visibility. Woko mastigo ne yuake go mundu agikango. Okay, that's in point. Ori ageretha ri. Prime Minister. Waziri
Mkuu.
Yes.
The Prime Minister, head of government.
We don't have that position right now.
Asa.
Wanagio maita meritu.
Jomo.
And Tinga Wodi Yalego.
Raila Odinga.
Wodi Yalego, yes. Reu Prime Minister wako wetago Stama.
Keir Starmer.
Ni heriri wira-ini.
Ni arokire kurisaina.
Yes.
Na no akimakitie andu tondu mabũrũri maingĩ kauti kaundu kanini.
Yes. Ero must go. He went gracefully.
He accepted to go.
Yes. To go. Niagire go ne gwekati.
Go ne guthie.
And the people are happy. Na gwethe roito miciake kweheria ri. Kuratuika riu mwena wake is the Labour Party. Ni mathiete popularity kinyia muno. Mwakorwo andu matiramenda. Matiariria kiama kiu uria maragiriria.
Na mathi thurano-ini ri. Makawanyihia ite.
Ugatuika riu makiuga mokire tene ri. Tiguo horo urari. Makauga chances cia si uchawi
ni maobi.
Nicithiete
ikunderete.
Akiuga ni undu wa undu ucio ri nie ndigwetania na kiama gitaramenya ni andu kana gitare andu angikorwo muingi ndurenda ri akiuga we ni akwiyeheria wira-ini wa Prime Minister.
No menye Ngeretha Prime Minister ni mundu munene.
Very powerful.
He is the head of government.
Yes. Hello. Yalagiria de both houses.
Yes.
The bicameral parliament.
Yes.
He's not a small person. Na kaundu kau ka Ngeretha ri aganika mutugo memenyeretie.
Ngeretha kuo ngirora ta miaka around 10 years.
Yes.
Especially kuma manjiria kiundu kiria kia Brexit.
Yes.
Kundu kuma Prime Minister ni marenyera.
Ni marenyera tondu muthori kwa sema walianzia kina 9 na 9. nä meherangä tie wä ra-inä ti wa mbere
mä aka ta 10 å guo rä has been wabici ĩyo nä ä gä te na tanova weka å ndå
tondå ona ngwä ciria madamu ä wä rä ga gå kå rä
å rä kå Teresa May ndamå ririkana
nake twakwä eheririe ona å yå wä tagwo Toulouse kwanja ngwä cia ndaikaire må
å cio ndä wandigwä cia nä anine mä erie na wabici
mwana rica-inä Cameron Theresa May Boris Johnson nginya Johnson nä kwä
even Boris Johnson he was under pressure
immense å cio nä okä te gå kå kana ithuä nä Uhuru wathiä te
Boris Johnson was here. I don't remember.
There's Liz Truss on ndaikarire uyu nake wari na asiria yo hindi ri etagwo Sunak
niwe rici
nake akienyerio riu stama nake riu ndagitiranirie
nake ni agatiranirie
wira ucio kuwa gandu ni uikaria
ndakwira kuma maundu ma Brexit manjia Ngeretha it has not been easy
well people don't resign like that here
hapana no guku andu ni makwamagira ite-ini
ai mutikimane mutoge mwana wa
muinuke
guku resignation ni gitwa na igua ri ni pressure mountitwo nginya munene akauga atiri athaia riu ni kwiyanga ni tukwamba gukurekereria kidogo
ni tugukuohora
andu makire and you resign to be reappointed
guku ni undu wa pressure nginya kuma kuria tuthia kwara bakuri
yes
riu ni ukinya handu ukerwo riu ni tugukuohora ni undu wa itumi nyingi
he andu matuhitagira ngari he andu matukagiriria ngari
no riu ni mokiriirie uhoro uyu muno
na matirakwenda riu we please tigo kumena
we ni uria tudiraga nawe no ni ukwehera haha
no ri taragwo thani people don't just resign here
especially this side of Sahara
no naria mwana resign ri there has always been a very big issue honorable Martha Karua resigned she was minister for justice and constitutional affairs
ni arisainire
ona kimunya thutha wohoro ri
no arisainire
even I think Kiraito Murongi
after scandal ya ni Anglo Leasing
acio merirwo atiriri eherai uhoro uyu nona mwirega arebiere mokanire na ni wetainwo kaigwa andu mauga atiri ejei mama guo haha
kuhorere
ejei mama guo piu mutware ikwaretheka
na macohi mau make
athiere
gukahorera
riu uguo niguo resignation ithia guku we nawe niki uka muthoni
amba ume maitho-ini ma andu
atiri ndurabutwo nawe ugira hakiri
ugacokio thutha wa hama
ayo na Raila na resign in 2002 as Minister for Energy.
I think that was not very consequential. I
think this was after the, what do you call this? With the NDP merger.
Na kiragita kia Merio meka ni jogo.
Resignation issue the owners here 202 Mudavadi na Raila is when Moi picked who?
Yes, they were not picked.
They were not resignations. they were revolts. But there is ni ane gukoro ati matiraigirereka ne maugia ati tuwefatie Uhuru na magithie Uhuru paki akiwa Kibaki ke
tosha
mwiraria 206
onake no scandal I think ya Anglo Leasing yes
ana Kiraito the golden bag ya Kiraito and George Saitoti back then the golden bag scandal as well no igwa guku ni gutindekwo pio na ndo mali sai nide thutha horo ni andu anene guku aria me muoyo
na njira nene
anene muno yes muno ta Mudavadi ona Hideki urauga we
no actually Mudavadi today you could say he is a Kenya's prime minister
yes
quote and quote
he even looks more influential and powerful than the DP
Durakeria ndo asaprano
no ona weja ndo gatia
ni wera ragiro
And you know, if Saitoti was here, he would be president.
Maybe.
He would have become.
Maybe.
That was very likely. Yes.
Guku andu matirisa inaga uguo kwanja andu mena iturwa nene.
Hapana. Guku rugama na andu thutha waku kauga aya mauga ndi umie. Na no getha andu mauga atiriri. Andu a nyumba itu. Mauga mwana witu.
Ukienda kumenya guku andu matirisa inaga ri. Recently you remember kiundu giki kirari kuo 2024 kia Gen Z.
Yes.
Angikorwo gutiri mundu wari sainire ni kwiyendera. Nobody.
Ona uyu wetagwo munini wa Kajeta gwatia.
DIG.
Yes. We are still seeing.
They are still around.
Yes.
Kwando matirisa idaga.
We have what we do a lot is a sign, not a resign. Tutura turia goko tuko tweto hiuri. Gaka DP gatikoke o
ni gathiete gatuikite kahiu.
Gatuikite ka prime minister wa UK. Giki kia method ya marora ngukumio. EACC. Wathi ko unae gukirari.
Nio kuonana na ngeti.
Agwecia nikio maheire ko thutha marahe andu ahoreru.
Ira wathi kabu.
Andu gutwikaniria mandiko. Andu marahingũra na mahoya rũcinĩ matarenda mbara nyingĩ.
Gũkũ gĩturwa kĩngĩ kĩhiũ nĩ gũchĩa IEBC.
We kĩu nakĩo nĩ fire safe fire.
Kĩu nĩ mwaki.
Fire.
We people don't just resign here.
No. Yeah. Ate muone breaking news ate mũndũ waĩkĩrwo mũtara imagine. I get it from today henceforth, after consultation with the people that I am from and the faction I work for, I have today tendered my resignation. Pana.
Ona mundu watumakirie ni wari sainire January. Former DG wa Nairobi. Igathe.
Yes. Well, he's not a small man. He's Diana. Yo ndarabatara guthukirwo ni zungu.
Na gukuha kuhu.
Gukumwo ni
kuria Ngeretha nĩ megũkĩhanga prime minister ũngĩ. Waigua nĩ macuragia mbica ta gũkũ ũrĩa ũkoraga mawĩra-inĩ nĩ gũcurĩtio mbica ya president kana ma president marĩa mana serve.
Nĩ njurũria.
Kũrĩa nĩ makũihũria thingo rĩu.
Yes. Arĩa mana serve.
Arĩa mana serve.
Nĩ mathiangĩte.
Nĩ mekũihũria thingo.
Yes. Reke tũkĩone nũ megũkĩnengera. Tondũ ũcio rĩu ũrakĩrĩho rĩ. Yagĩthiĩ one term. Ona ni half term.
Iyo ni half term.
Gĩcunjĩ term.
Arerirwo must go arauga then I will go.
I'm going. Sitaki hata hiyo power. Kuria turetungumania tuyo power.
Thaa 8:55.